General Motaso.
I don't make noise. My car does. I stay silent. Kilebali li harasa. And knowing that when I push the streets, my car will speak on my behalf. But money is power. Money is the oil that lubricates every engine part of life. Money is the sixth sense that makes others function properly. As a result, it is important that you have it, and when you have it, it should be in excess. Ke bona o ka re gona le low lighting, so ta ke bule cover nyana ke bule cover gongwe go tla nna le lesedinyana e be ke re for control ke lotlise V8 original gore duma yang tla ke bule sunroof. We have a very large sunroof here. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful scenery. It's a very beautiful platform. Mathata e leng gore ra inkera hana ke gore ha ke bula sunroof go nna le modumo, so let me just close everything up go nne betere. I'll just close everything up now so that you can hear me properly. Mall of Africa. I'm currently at Mall of Africa. Riska interrupt you the outside world. In the meantime, kita pusha stilo saka to my comfort zone or kika kono stata koloi comfortably and beautifully. I don't know if leto udra, but it doesn't matter. At least some of you should. So ke bitse first there gore le kono udla ha ke starta V8 original. It's a beautiful car, a very beautiful purchase. Utlwang here. La utlwa ke.